Are you tired of bulky microphones slowing you down? Well, the wait is over. Meet the DJI Mic 4, the mini wireless microphone that's about to change the game. Whether you're a vlogger capturing street interviews, a filmmaker shooting documentaries, a podcaster, or a live streamer, this tiny powerhouse promises crystal clear audio, long-range reliability, and unmatched portability. In this video, we're diving deep into everything the DJI Mic 4 has to offer, from its compact design and dual-channel receiver to its noise reduction tech, long battery life, and seamless device compatibility. Stick around, because by the end, you'll see why this could be the best mini wireless mic on the market today. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. The DJI Mic 4 has officially arrived, and for anyone in the world of content creation, filmmaking, podcasting, or streaming, this mini wireless microphone is poised to redefine what you expect from portable audio solutions. DJI has long been synonymous with innovation in the drone and camera accessory markets, but their foray into professional-grade audio has been steadily gaining attention. The DJI Mic 4, the latest iteration in the DJI microphone series, promises to deliver unparalleled sound quality in a compact, easy-to-use wireless system that is perfect for creators on the move. From vloggers capturing spontaneous street interviews to professional filmmakers needing reliable audio for documentary shoots, this microphone has been designed to meet diverse needs without compromising quality. One of the standout aspects of the DJI Mic 4 is its form factor. Unlike traditional wireless microphones that are often bulky and cumbersome, the Mic 4 is remarkably small, lightweight, and easy to clip onto clothing or attach via its integrated mount options. Its design prioritizes convenience without sacrificing functionality. Whether you're shooting with a DSLR, mirrorless camera, smartphone, or even a laptop for live streaming, the Mic 4 seamlessly integrates with a variety of devices. This level of versatility ensures that creators can rely on it in almost any environment, whether indoors or outdoors, in crowded city streets or quiet studios. The audio performance of the DJI Mic 4 is where it truly shines. Featuring advanced signal processing technology and a high-quality condenser capsule, the microphone captures crisp, clear, and natural sound. DJI has equipped the Mic 4 with noise reduction algorithms that effectively filter out background hums, wind noise, and other environmental interferences. This makes it an excellent choice for vloggers shooting outdoors or creators filming in unpredictable settings. Users can expect consistent sound quality even at a distance from the receiver, which is a significant improvement over many mini wireless systems that often compromise clarity for portability. Range is another area where the DJI Mic 4 excels. It offers a reliable transmission range that ensures audio integrity up to 250 meters in open spaces, making it perfect for outdoor shoots, interviews, and live events. The dual-channel receiver allows creators to monitor two microphones simultaneously, a feature that can be invaluable for interviews or multi-person setups. Additionally, the device boasts minimal latency, ensuring that audio syncs perfectly with video, a critical factor for professional content creation where post-production adjustments can be time-consuming and costly. Battery life is a crucial consideration for any wireless system, and the DJI Mic 4 does not disappoint. Each transmitter and the receiver come with built-in rechargeable batteries capable of